Hello. In this lecture, we'll see a problem based on interpolation. The problem is given sine 45 degree is equal to 0.7071, sine 50 degree equal to 0.7660, sine 55 degree equal to 0.8192, sine 60 degree equal to 0.8660. Find sine of 57 degree using an appropriate interpolation formula. Solution. So in this you can observe here sine of angle is equal to the value is there. Sine of angle, what angle is there? It is the value of x, and what is equal to value we are getting, it is nothing but the value of y. So sine of 45 is x, 50 is x, 55 is x value, 60 is x value, and we need to find sine of 57 means x is equal to 57 we need to calculate here, and with respect to whatever values they have given, it is the value of y here. So with the help of this, so what I can say here, we need to calculate 57 means this 57 is coming near to what here 60, it is in between 55 and 60. So therefore we can consider here Newton backward interpolation formula for this given interpolation question here. So for this we'll see the first table here. What is the table? We'll see now here. So therefore from the question, if you see, so this 45, sine 50 degree, 55 degree and 60 degree are the values of what here x. We'll take it. So we'll consider as x is equal to x values. X values are 45, 50, 55 and 60, and similarly y values are 0.7071, 0.7660, 0.8192, 0.8660. So these are the values of y now. So we'll see. So as I said you, so we need to find sine 57 degree. So 57 is in between 55 and 60. So I can say that it is near to the last value. So if it is near to the last value, so we need to apply Newton backward interpolation formula. So if backward, then the symbol for the difference is what here? Nebula will use here. Therefore, so nebula of y, so difference of these two, that is 0.7660 minus 0.7071 will be 0.0589. Difference of 0.8192 minus 0.7660, so it will be 0.0532. Difference of 0.8660 minus 0.8192, so it will be 0.0468. Next we'll see the next difference, that is nebula square of y. So we'll see the difference between 0.0532 minus 0.0589. So the difference is, it will be minus 0.0057, and 0.046 minus 0.0532, the difference is minus 0.0064. Now we'll take the difference between this, that is nebula cube of y. So 0 minus 0.0064 minus of minus plus, it will become, so 0.0057, so it will become minus 0.0007. So therefore this is the required difference table. So I can identify here. So this is our xn value, so this is yn value, this is nebula of yn value, this minus 0.0064 will be nebula square of yn value, and this minus 0.007 will be nebula cube of yn value. Now with the help of this we'll go for the backward formula. So we need to find sine of 57 degree. Okay, so which implies x value is equal to what here, 57. So I can say that if x is 57, so it is near to 60, so which is nothing but near to the last value, so which is nothing but we need to go for what here, Newton backward interpolation formula. So Newton backward interpolation formula is given by, so by Newton's backward interpolation, that is I can take it as what here, f of x is equal to yn plus r into nebula of yn plus r into r plus 1 divided by 2 factorial nebula square of yn plus r plus 1 r plus 2 divided by 3 factorial nebula cube of yn. I will stop here because the last term of our table is also nebula cube of yn. So therefore we know this all yn value, the nebula of yn value we can substitute here, nebula square of yn we can substitute here, nebula cube of yn we can substitute here. So we needed the value of r, so r is nothing but x minus xn divided by h. So x value it is 57 degree minus xn, that is the last value from the table, it is 60, divided by h. So difference between each value of our x is 50 minus 45 is 5, 55 minus 50 is what here, 5, 60 minus 55 is 5. So therefore h value is, step size is 5. So 57 minus 60 divided by 5, so we'll get it is minus 0.6. So therefore, so we'll apply this in the forward formula. So we are finding f of 57 is equal to yn value. So yn value from the table it is 0.8660 plus r value is minus 0.6. Next, nebula of yn from the table it is 0.0468 plus r into r plus 1 divided by factorial 2. So r value is minus 0.6 into minus 0.6 plus 1 divided by 2 factorial is 2. Nebula square of yn from the table it is minus 0.0064. Then next term I will write it down here. So plus r value is minus 0.6 minus 0.6 plus 1 minus 0.6 plus 2 whole divided by 3 factorial is 6 into nebula cube of yn will be minus 0.0007. So if you add all these value in the calculator, so we'll get a solution as 0.8387. So f of 57, so which implies I can say that, so it is the answer of sine of 57 degree will be 0.8387. So in this way we need to simplify a problem based on this interpolation.